Okay, so today we're gonna make something called a screwdriver. So what you'll need is the cheapest brand of vodka you can find. So we're here in Norway, it's the Norwegian one, Kalinka, and the cheapest brand of orange juice. So first of all, you're gonna need 2 shots of vodka. So this is why we have a shot glass. And then let's get a regular glass. Alright. Two shots of vodka. Now you're going to need the orange juice. Alright, so you want to mix it out. You don't want too much orange juice. That's just fine. And there you go. Now you know how to make a screwdriver.